Good afternoon, and thank you everyone for attending today's mediation section. My name is Ben Yong, and it's okay, call me Ben. I am a National Acoustics Mediator under Queensland Law Society. I, as a matter of a process to assist, gave you today. I'm not here to make a decision for you, and the mediation process is the way impartial, unbiased, neutral third party here to assisting you both parties. I have conducted many mediation past 5 years. I'd like to thank you both for attending today. I'm not here to act as a judge. During the 4 hours mediation section, while I may interrupting you to asking you a question, clarify clearly what I have to write down, make sure I understand you and your point sure on my notes. Hello, Mr. Green. Hello, Miss Fry. Hello, Mr.
Hello.
Green.
Hello.
Hello. Here I have to formally confirm checking everybody here has authority to make a decision. Yes, Mr. Green?
Yes, I do. Thank you.
It's fine.
Yes, thank you.
Confirm that I send you the information regarding for the mediation. Mediation is a facilitation of a negotiation. Really, it's going to help people fully explore all options available. The mediation session will provide an opportunity for the parties to come to their own resolution of the dispute issue. Opportunity to hear the evidence in full. Under the statute law, Uniform Civil Proceeding Rule 1999 Queensland Act, Section 6, Part 4, which provide for alternative dispute resolution process allowed. Also, the Evidence Act 1995 Commonwealth, Section 131, exclusions of the evidence of a settlement negotiations. Finally, under the Commercial Arbitrations Act 2013 Queensland Act, Section 8, arbitration agreement and substantive claim before court. Therefore, hopefully, both parties, Mr. Green and Ms. Fire, willing to put the effort to settle, to resolve the dispute issue without going further litigation in a court battle. In this session today, I would like to meet any agreement we have to written. I have the ability today to make it in a binding agreement order. It is a voluntary. You can withdraw it anytime. I hope you don't come to this. This is a confidential and without prejudice process. The discussion that we have here today cannot be taken outside this room. That cannot be used against each other in a court. Without prejudice, matters go to the court. If either party is become upset, frustrated during the mediation, please let me know. Having a break or simple stop the mediation. Glass of the water and all documents, pens and notepads is available now. Mr. Green, it's fine.
Thank you.
When either party is feel free to drop in their own note and make sure raise the question of your point within this session. One point I have to very serious is confidentiality. I'd like to address serious. Take a few minutes to talk about confidential mediation. Is it confidential process or the notes I'm taking will be restricted access after its mediation is completed today? I will not disclose any of the conversation that took place in the session. Is only today only. However, I have to testify for any criminal act such as a violation of professional misconduct occurred to date. I haven't really seen them come out very often. When both parties making a genuine effort together to solve a dispute, and private and confidential nature of the discussion under the law. At this point, anybody else is in need to continue. Feel free to ask me now before I go further. No? Then please certainly respect one and another, allow other parties to provide their opening statement uninterrupted, because we will then have a look at some common ground agreed by both parties together. Is there any question? If no, Mr. Green, would you like to commence the opening statement? Thank you.
Yeah, sure. So the point I wanted to get across today really was that the family pool of money it's $600,000. So from that we've got or within that we've got a family vehicle worth $50,000, and then we've got the $2,000 worth of DVDs and music CD collection, which is also for family use. So my very strong feelings today, and what I really, for me, it's a no compromise, is that I want 50%, $300,000. So that's my position.
This is what is your claim belief as a 50% of a 300,000.
50% is what I want. Yes.
Can I ask you three questions? The first question is, Mr. Green, when will be the next court hearing in the family sharekers court?
The next court hearing date is set down for the 5th of October.
Right. And second question is, you agree on the family pool at the present is 600,000?
Yes, I do. It's 600,000. Yes, that's correct.
Ms. Fry, are you agree? Is the family pool at the present is a 600,000?
Yes, the pool is 600,000.
Thank you. If no another question, then Ms. Fry, you can have your opening statement. Thank you.
So, as we just outlined, the family pool is 600,000. However, I believe I've contributed to the pool more than Mr. Green. From the beginning of our marriage, I've contributed most of that money. So he also drives our BMW that he just spoke about. So I think I'm entitled to 80% of his $600,000.
Ms. Fry, can I ask you, the car and the CD and the DVD, did you use it, or you drive it sometimes, you watch it sometimes?
Rarely. I have used the car, but not as much as he does.
Well, I'm not come here, as a mediator, to give you a legal advice on that. But maybe consider one thing is that during the marriage, that possibility as a part of the, family pool asset as well. Just, and let you know it may be the situation. Any other things you both like to talk about? If not, if no further question, I will be privately talk to Mr. Green. Is it okay with you, Miss Fry?
Yes, that's fine.
All right, thank you. Hello, Mr. Green. I can see what you're saying is right, but at the same token, have you considered uh, uh, Miss Fry did contribute before the marriage?
Well, but I think my position is very firm that she's spoken about the car and the DVDs, and that she's contributed more. But the fact is that the cost of those are in the combined $600,000 pool. So I'm simply asking for 50% of that. So I think that's very fair. And whilst she may talk about the car and the DVDs, it's all part and parcel of the whole family assets and pool, and I'm just simply asking for 50%, and that's my final position.
Remember, Mr. Green, we are coming to mediation. Is you are the applicant, to come for a mediation. We try to put the effort into negotiate what you can live on and move on. I will be suggest to think about in a cost and a benefit. If Mr. Green, if you can settle today, you can get the final settlement within a month. And I know that we all hear that the next hearing is on 5th of October, which over 1 month and more. So if you think about if you're going to settle today now, it will be better for you in the cost of the benefit. And I can see your point. Yes, I mean the BMW 50,000 DVD also using by Miss Fryer. And would you able to give Miss Fry more than 50?
Well, I think my position is 300,000. That's I do want to settle today. I think it's in everyone's interest. I understand what you're saying there, and I see what the benefit of that. So my position is 300,000.
All right then. What I do is if the circumstance like this, I talk to Miss Fry directly. Do you mind I talk to Miss Fry, in the private section?
Okay, that's fine. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Green. Miss Fry?
Hello.
Hello. Yes, I already, I was talking to Mr. Fry. Yes, I did, mention about, the car, and we all know that, you want 80% of 480,000. Well, it is the circumstance that we are coming to, mediation. Is both parties put on an effort to settle. Just think about that. If you can settle today, and the benefit is your next hearing is on 5th of October, which is 1 month away, and it could be a court battle in between a party again, the legal cost, the time involved, the emotion. In the cost of the benefit, would you able to consider give Mr. Green more of the percentage other than 20%?
Look, as I said, I really strongly feel that I have contributed more to the pool of money. but the points you've raised about getting it done quicker are enticing, so I would be willing to negotiate.
All right then. In this circumstance then, we join the session again, and just to summarize what we can have. Hello, Mr. Green.
Hi.
Well, at the present, we come to join together. This is now, we will all join together with both parties now. The party session is over. We come to a nearly the end of the conclusion, what we have now. Can I confirm with you, Mr. Green, would you able to give more 80% to Miss Fry?
Not 80%. My offer is 300,000, 50%.
Miss Fry, as because we are now in a joint session, both party and myself here. If Miss Fry, if you think about is settled now, give Mr. Green a bit more, and then you can with the cost and the benefit, it will be a settled matter within a month. Everybody can move on to that. Would you able to give Mr. Green more than 20%? Mr.
Look, for the sake, sorry? For the sake of everyone's closure, I think it's probably best that I negotiate. So there's definitely room there to negotiate.
Thank you, Ms. Fry. Mr. Green, we come to a nearly conclude of the today. If Miss Green is Miss Fry is gave you a bit more, would you able to negotiate?
Yes, I would. I would be willing to listen.
Miss Fry, Mr. Green still on 50%, 500,000. Would you like to settle?
All of the points you've raised, I've sort of put the case for me. Would like to settle.
You like to settle?
Yeah.
So very great, to hear. Can I confirm with you, Miss Green, you're willing to settle based on family pool, 600,000 and 50% for yourself, 300,000, and to Mr. Green, 50%, 300,000. Am I correct?
Yes.
Mr. Green, what do you think about 50%, 300,000 settled today?
Yes, that would be acceptable to me if we can settle today. So I'll agree with that.
Okay, congratulations. What I'm going to do, on my conclusion of the summary, I'm starting, drawing my summary right now. What I'm going to draw is like this. My summary will send it to your both sides in a lawyer, and it will be like the agreed summary will forward to your lawyer, prepare a signed binding agreement under Family Law Act 1975 Commonwealth Section 80 and Section 81. It's a duty of the court to end of the financial relationship included by the court officer and pay the current fee is $165 consent order. Obtain the consent order from Family Court of Australia of Federal Circuit Court Australia. Are you both agreed today is the summary is what we are going to settle? 50% to Ms. Fry, 50% to Mr. Green.
Yes, that's agreed.
Ms.
Yes.
Fry, All right, congratulations. And both really thank you for willingness to work together today. And thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.